Today I am going to do a saddle graft on one of my apple trees. Make a cut on both sides. Make it a V shape. Now I have made a wedge cutting both sides. Now I am going to cut the Scion, which is the most difficult part of this graft. Try and make sure you cut both sides parallel to each other. Now I have made a wedge out of the Scion, and now I'll try to fit them on top of each other and see. Now both sides, to me they look size-wise okay. Now I am going to tie it together and making sure that it doesn't move, and cambion cambion on both sides, they stay intact with each other. You can keep an eye to see that they don't move while tying. Keep adding a bit of gentle pressure as you go down. Making sure there's no air trapped inside. And that completes the saddle graft. Now one tie, and this one goes once more. That is the second one. So cut the extra tape. One, two, three, and I'll cut, leaving 3 buds. Now I am going to seal it with this green tape. Just a little bit gentle pressure as you wrap it around. This green tape will keep all the moisture in, and it will seal the graft. I'll put a bit of wax at the top so that the top doesn't dry. Now the only thing left is the label and the date. It is a kids orange red, and the date is 9th of April 2015, and this will complete the whole graft.